welcome back to my easy computer class. Today I will teach more about PowerPoint. How can you give the more animations to your slides? Okay, already we studied about basics of PowerPoint in my first video. Do you remember that one? I think you all know how to take this PowerPoint. Just click on the start button and type PowerPoint, then only you will get a PowerPoint window. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, then you will get like this window. First, I will type here. I want to create a presentation about festivals in India. Because of that, I need to insert some pictures to here. Then I just delete this one. Okay. Then how can you insert the pictures? Do you know? Do you remember that one? Insert picture. Okay, then I saved some pictures here, festivals pictures. From that I have to select one picture. Okay, this one I need to give as a heading or welcome slide. Okay, to give this one. Okay, like this way I have to set. Otherwise, uh, one more thing is there. How can then for next step you have to just click on here and take duplicate slide. Okay, then if you want to delete this one, just delete. And again you can do like this way also. Just click on format background and then select a picture from here and file. Click on file button. Then you have to select this picture like this way. Okay, like this way also have to apply the pictures if you want. Okay, and type the name of the festival like this way. Okay, then after this again you have to select the duplicate slide. Then you have to select one more. How can you change the picture? Format background, then picture file. Okay, then Holly's picture. I select this picture. Okay, like this way have to select all the picture. Okay, okay, already I created some slides with some festivals pictures. Like that way you have to create this one also. Then if you want to change the background color, you know how to do this one. Change format background like this way. And if you want to type something, how can you type? Using insert word art or take insert text from here. I used insert word art. And if you want to change the shape, you may select the thing. One small. Okay. We select drawing tools and you can select change the style like this way. Okay. And if you want to give the effects, you may give like this. Understood all of you? Okay. Then like this way you have to insert the pictures into different slides. You may create more than 10 slides. So then you will get the picture from the Google internet. If you have pictures with you, you can insert from. Otherwise, first you download it from the internet and then you can create the festivals presentation like this way. After that, I created one slide like this. See, and I want to apply some animations to this one. How can I apply the animations to this one? Do you know? First, I will show you how can you apply the transitions to this slides. Transition. The movement from one slide to another slide is called a transition. You can select here different types of transitions are there. You may select this one. Already I applied some transitions here. Sound I want to switch off the sound. Okay. Like this way you can select. See different transitions are there. If you want, you may apply this transition to this one and select another one. You select another transition. If you don't want this sound, no sound. Okay. If you want to apply the sounds, you may select first one. You may select and you can select the sound from here. Okay. If you don't want, just click on no sound option. Okay. And you may apply the different types of transitions from here. Okay, how do you know? Click on the transition button and select the slide first, then select the option from here, this box. Okay, from here. Okay, sound again came. If you don't want, click on no sound, like this way. Okay, like this way, how to apply the different. Do you want to see this one? Preview. Will give. Okay. Then next is animations. For giving the animation, I will show you how to apply the animation. First click on animations button. Then you can see some animation already I applied. If you don't want this animation, you have to select all the, using the control button, you can select all picture. Wherever you need, there you can click on like this way. Okay. And just delete the animation. First I will give none. After that I will show you how to apply the animation. First I will select this picture. Which picture you want to give the animation, you have to select the picture first, then apply the animation like this way. Okay. Then select the next one. Then you have to select, you can select the options from here. First entrance. Entrance means how it will come. The entry of this picture. And if you apply this one, it will do like this way. Okay. And next method, how it will go. That is called the exit. Fly out. It will go like this. Okay. And some more are there. More entrance effects are there. More motion bars. If you click on this one, you can see if you are creating a car racing presentation and all, you can apply these type of animations because it's very useful for you. I will show you how it will work. See, if you click on this one, it will go like this. That means that this is the path. In that, using that path, it will move. Understood, all of you? See, this shape curvy stars means in that shape it will move like that way. Okay. And for this letter we can apply some interesting animations using this custom animation. See, first you have to select a more entrance effect, and we can see different types of animations here. This is also very interesting. Draw. See, one by one it will come. Understood, all of you? Okay. And you have to select this one also. You can give once more by B. Okay. Like this way, we can apply the animations also. And if you want to change the order, first you have to select, then select the object, and then you have to click on this move earlier. Then see, the number is also shown there. Then you can change the number. First, if you want to, okay, change it as first, then you can do like this. Move later means it will come later. Okay. Like this way, how to apply the animations. And if you want to click on, see which type you need to start this one. On click means you must click on the mouse button. Otherwise, with the previous, if you are giving with this object will come with the previous object. Okay. Then duration means how long it will be there. That is you mean, that is mean by duration. Delay means then duration means how long it will be there. That is you mean, that is mean by duration. Delay means this time only. Okay. Then like that way we can apply these properties also. Understood, all of you? Then shall we check with how it will come? Okay. Then click on slideshow button, then select from beginning. Then you can see the one by one it will come. Okay, I think you all understood this one's very interesting. And if you want to give the shapes in, want to give the pictures in different shapes, how can you apply? See, this picture I want to make it in different shape. How can I apply? Click on insert button and click on shape button and select one any one shape from here. First I will place it here and click on right button. Then you have to select a format shape. From that you have to select a picture. Then click on file button. Then you may select any of the picture like this one. Okay. Then close button. See, that picture will come inside this shape. Understood? Then you may change using this drawing tool. You may change the shape outline or text outline. See, like this we have to. Sorry, not a text outline, shape outline. Okay. See, the color also, the outline color also have to change like this. Understood, all of you? Okay. I think you all understood how to apply the transitions and animations and how to insert pictures inside the different shapes. It's very interesting. If you want to share others, you just share and try to study all these things. Try to apply using your computer and you to all should practice with these tools and you have to create a different presentations. Very interesting car racing. I will show in the next video. Okay, I think you all like this one. If you like this one, please share to others. And if you want to get my previous videos, you should subscribe my channel. Then only you will get the basics of PowerPoint and all. Okay, and if you want to get my next videos notification, you just press on the bell button. Don't forget that. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.